Do you want to know how you can disable the calls on your Telegram account on your Android device? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can disable the calls on your Telegram on your Android account. Go ahead and open Telegram. Now, the next thing you want to do is go to your menu, click on Settings, and go to Privacy and Security. Scroll a bit down and find Privacy. Under the Privacy settings, click on Calls and you can see everybody can call you right now. To disable your call or to give access to nobody to call you, go ahead and tap on Nobody, which is here. You can add exceptional users over here. So if you want to add some users, go ahead and click Add Users and you can select the people who you want them to call. So you can also use this option called never allow, and you can never allow people to call you, or you can add someone to allow to call you. So what you need to do is go to nobody. So click on the tick mark over here and you can see that nobody can now call you. So all you need to do is go to your Telegram, tap on your menu, go to Settings, tap on Privacy and Security, tap on Calls over here and set it to Nobody. This way, your calls will be disabled on your Telegram account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.